Welcome back to another day, country, living in dogs. They're just chilling out this afternoon, taking a break. It's a hot day here in Finger Lakes, New York. They're just chilling out. My brother is just leaving. He's coming back for something. He's coming back for some reason. He must have forgot something. He's on his way. He's going down to get some pizza stuff. But we're just chilling out. Tsunami and Champion. You notice the lawn got mowed. The lawn got mowed. They never moved that, but the lawn got mowed. The ticks were getting bad, but the grass so high. I was constantly pulling them off the dogs. Champion's just chilling. I've been throwing rocks. Now he's discovering. I threw a bunch of rocks up in there. He's still looking for them. I threw some over there too. And his stockpile's right there. That's his stockpile of rocks. Maybe he'll do a constitution while he's over there. We'll see. Tsunami, what are you doing? What are you doing, Tsunami? I'll have to check and see if you got another tick right there. You might have a tick there. We'll have to check it out. When we go in, we'll check it out. Champion's over there in the woods doing something. Jazz is just up there chilling out. We get the sun right there to the west. Jazz is just chilling out. It's a lazy day today. Lazy day. He just coughed. He just hacked. Yeah, now you're waiting for me to throw a rock, aren't you? And my hands are full. I've got this stuff in one hand and the camera in the other. This stuff in one hand and the camera in the other. So you're SOL for right now, champion. You're SOL for right now. What are you whining about? What are you whining about? Huh? What are you whining about? My hand's in the way there. What are you whining about? They're not really doing a lot right now. It's a bit hot and humid here today. A bit hot and humid. It's probably about 82 degrees, and right now, at least. But the fuel is probably more like 90, and a lot of humidity, thickness in the air, dampness in the air. We've had a lot of rainstorms lately, so it's a bit humid. It's clear somewhat. There's some cumulus clouds up there, but it's not really too bad. It's not really too bad here. Champion, what are you doing? You're just waiting for me to... Maybe I can black these up in here and do a little something here. Let me see. Oh, that was a wasted stone. He is the rambunctious one. He's still there. He's backing up for some reason. Now he's moving forward. He must have had to fix the mailbox. He must have had to fix the mailbox. Or he did. They were mowing up there, and he was doing something with the skidster, and he ran over the mailbox. Earlier, they were moving campers and stuff like that around, pushing them around. So he smashed into the, buried the freaking, where is the other one? Oh, it's in my hand. Yeah, it's just a lazy day here today, folks. We're just chilling. We're just chilling. Jazz is just chilling out. We're not gonna stay out too long. It's too hot and muggy out here to stay out in this crap. It's too hot and muggy. Even the dogs are feeling it, and they got a coat of hair on them that makes it even worse for them, doesn't it? Doesn't it? And they don't sweat. They have no sweat glands. It comes out their mouth and out their arse. And I'm all tangled up, Tsunami. You got me all freaking tangled up. There, somewhat. Champion, I'm not throwing no more. I'm all tangled up now. I got shit all over me. Now that that's there, out of my reach. He's busy doing that. We're gonna get ready and go in. It's just a short little video letting you know that we're still around. You can watch me if you want to watch me live almost every day on Twitch, on Rumble, and on kick.com, all electroman _ 000. You're welcome to come and join if you choose. So I've got Discord you can join as well. The links are on each of the platforms. A lot of file sharing, a lot of music, and streamed in YouTube's channels, Twitter, X, Reddit, just a lot of stuff available there. A lot of local files to download, music and stuff of that nature, audiobooks, especially the sci-fi audiobooks of post-apocalyptic stories, about many of them an hour to an hour and a half long. You might just enjoy them. I know I do. I've listened to probably every one that I've got on mine so far, and I got a bunch on my phone yet. So, all right. Take care of yourself. Come join us if you choose to do so. We're going to take off for now and get out of this hot sun. Even though it's almost evening time, it's still hot here. Very hot. So this is almost 8 minutes, just under 8 minutes. Let me get it to 8 minutes. And then we will end 57. So you guys say goodbye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay well. We love y'all.